Oh.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're opening the Pinchme box that I got for free. If you want one too, sign up with the link below. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more fun stuff that I try. Alright, so we're going to open it up and I'll let you know what's inside. Here we go. Okay, so we're opening this for the first time. So the first thing I see is Slim Fast Bake Shop Meal Replacement Double Chocolate Chip Cookie. Clinically proven, lose weight and keep it off. So this, instead of having a meal, this is your meal, a cookie. So it's 10 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. So let's see, it has 220 calories. So this will replace either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You pick. All right. What else do we got? We got Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo, Oat Delicacy, oat milk and rice milk extracts to soothe, hydrate, and protect your skin and hair, and it's paraben free. So you got the shampoo and the conditioner. Awesome. Let's see what else we got. Clairol Nice and Easy free box of hair color. Okay. And there's this little, I think this is a hairband. Let's see how that comes out. Looks like a bracelet or something. Maybe you can put that in your hair or something, but it's kind of neat. All right. Now we have an RX Bar Kids protein bar. So 7 grams of protein, and it lists all the ingredients right on it. And the flavor is Berry Blast. All right. So this is 130 calories. So a healthy snack. What else do we have? I see a coupon for Slim Fast Plan. And I feel something else in here. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Crushed macadamia and rice milk. That sounds pretty cool. So this comes in a little packet for me to try. So you kind of just open it this way and then try it. So I'll try that later on. Actually, why don't we try to open it now? See what we get. Okay. So it feels like a little scrubby in there. So it exfoliates and hydrates your skin. And it's a body polish. So it's great to use in the shower. So that's it. That's the whole box. So we got the hair color, body polish, shampoo and conditioner, meal replacement, and protein bar. Again, if you want to sign up and get some free products like this from Pinchme, sign up down below and you'll be on your way. Thanks for watching.